Hello everyone, I'm Paula from Weavedin and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the foundation single crochet stitch. This stitch is very useful because it creates a chain in the first row of single crochet at the same time. It gives your work a nice stretchy edge, which is great for hats, blankets, scarves and many other crochet projects. The stitches are very easy to count because they are more visible than working into a traditional foundation chain. To begin, make a slip knot. Place it on your hook. Chain 2, 1, 2. Insert your hook into the first chain you made. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You should now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first loop only. This creates the chain part of your stitch. Now yarn over again and pull through both loops on your hook. That completes your first foundation single crochet. To make the next stitch, look at the base stitch you just made. Insert your hook into the chain part at the bottom. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first loop only. Then yarn over again and pull through both loops on your hook. Continue repeating these steps until you have the number of foundation single crochet stitches you need. Take your time with the first few stitches, as they can feel a little tricky at the beginning. Once you understand where to insert your hook, the stitch becomes much easier. So you insert your hook at the base of the previous stitch in this chain stitch, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook into the base of the previous stitch, pull a loop, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. The mistake that most people make is they forget to pull through 1 loop only before pulling through both loops. And that's how you crochet the foundation single crochet stitch. If this tutorial helped you, please like, comment, save it for future reference, and follow Weavedin or my profile for more beginner-friendly crochet tutorials. Until next time, happy crocheting!